Because what the f if I done? Can I talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life. How am I being detained? Let go of me! Haley!
Are you good, Miss Lightfoot?
Let go of me! I've done nothing wrong!
This body cam footage documents a police response to a reported collision inside a parking garage. What appears to be a minor crash quickly escalates due to the driver's behavior.
You want to go with her?
Hey.
What's going on this morning?
We were trying to leave, but we knew it wasn't good for us, so we parked the car back. And I want my phone so I can...
Where's your phone?
In the car that she possesses.
Okay.
Hey, stop walking.
I have not done anything to be detained.
What is going on?
She wants me to drunk drive her home, and I'm not going to drunk drive her home.
She wants you to drive her home?
Yeah, I'm not going to drive her home. I have done nothing wrong to be detained.
Do you have any ID on you?
Yeah, I'm going to go to my car.
Where's your ID?
I'm going to get on my car.
Where is your ID?
I'm going to my car.
Where is your ID?
I'm going to my truck.
We're going to go back there, and we're going to figure this out. So go back down
I have done
there.
nothing to be detained.
Go back down there.
Why am I being detained?
For some sort of traffic crash, we're trying to figure out the investigation.
No,
okay?
I am not.
So you're not free to go. You're not free to go.
I have not been detained.
We're going this
I have
way.
not been detained.
I will put you in handcuffs if you do not start
Okay, I
walking
have
down.
not been detained.
Let's go.
I have not been detained.
Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Do not touch me.
Come on.
Do not.
Come on.
Ma'am, do not
Let's
touch
go.
me.
Let's go.
Do not touch me.
We're going to try to figure this out.
I have not done anything.
We're going to figure out the investigation.
I have
We'll
not
go back
done
down there.
anything.
Let's go.
Do not touch me.
Ma'am, I'm about to put you in handcuffs.
Do not touch me.
This way.
Do not touch me.
Can you please walk this way?
Okay, I have not done anything.
Walk this
for
way,
you
ma'am.
to touch me.
You're not following directions. Let's go.
I have not done anything to be detained. What have you been?
She's about to be put in handcuffs if she doesn't start listening.
What have I done to be detained?
We're doing an investigation. We can detain you if we want to.
There's no investigation.
There is an investigation.
My
friend
flagged you guys down because you drunk as okay?
Okay.
My friend
We got a
flagged you
call
guys
about
down.
something.
There's no reason for me to be detained.
We have reason
No,
to
there's
detain
not.
you. Okay.
There's no reason.
Well, that's your opinion.
No.
I'm trying to get her back down here just so we can figure out what's going on.
There's no reason for me to be detained. My friend's drunk as and she weighed you guys down. There's no reason.
You ready? Yes or no?
Officers arrived to investigate a pickup truck that struck a sign inside the garage. Their first priority is scene safety and determining how the collision occurred. As officers speak with the driver, they attempt to gather basic information. Clear communication at this stage helps keep situations calm and controlled.
I don't want to be an asshole.
You're totally fine. You're doing great. You're not in any trouble.
Thank you. Okay, so we pulled up to this exit to leave. Our card wasn't working. Me and my friend kind of got into an altercation because I wanted to drive home. I knew it wasn't best for either of us, but I thought I was better to drive, even though I know I shouldn't have. After we got into kind of a
thing?
Yeah, I walked away.
Okay.
And she came out telling me that the cops are coming, that we need to leave, and I was like, no, my stuff's in the car, I'm not leaving anywhere. I'll call an Uber. That was my...
Let me see what's going on with your friend. Let me speak with this young lady over here, and we'll try to get your phone out of the truck.
And I have a whole purse, and I have a firearm.
You have a firearm in the car? Or
it's in the vehicle. No, it's in the car. No.
I don't know, sir. I haven't spoken with the complainant yet.
Oh.
Thanks, buddy.
Hello. What's going on? What do we got going on over here?
Oh, well, I just came to the garage. I noticed they were having trouble scraping me out. This is set to key cards only right now, so you have to have a card for it.
Okay.
And I told them you just back up and come over to this lane. But then I noticed, like, first of all, the truck that she was in was up against this. Like, she hit it, but it didn't break. But she did hit the gate.
Okay. Did she knock that sign over?
Yeah, because what happened was I told them to just move to the other lane, and I walked away, and then I could hear them arguing about something, so I turned around.
My friend is drunk as
Have your ID or not?
You guys, I'm not detained. I have done nothing.
You are
wrong.
detained.
A million other
and you need
people.
to identify yourself.
No, a million other people have gone to their cars and done wrong. A million other people. When I was on my way here, some dude was four-wheeling in his thing. 2 wheels
What
on
does
a
that have
dirt
to do
bike.
with the...
I have done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, I need to see your ID.
No, you guys.
So did you see her driving?
Yes. Because what happened is when I came over here and I was trying to see what was going on, she stormed off. She backed into the sign, drove up the wrong way.
Haley!
Are you good, Miss Lightfoot?
Let go of me! I have done nothing wrong! Let go of me! Let go of me! Let me grab my phone!
Hey, Miss, how are you?
I have done nothing wrong!
Relax for a second, just relax. Relax for a minute.
I've done nothing!
Just relax, Miss.
You guys!
That's not very nice. Watch your feet, boys and girls.
Haley! I have done nothing wrong to get arrested!
Relax, Miss.
Show your keys.
Grab my phone! Right there! Grab my phone!
Show your keys.
Grab my phone!
Let go of your keys. Do you understand me?
What have I done wrong to be detained?
Let go of
How am
your
I being
keys.
detained? How am I being detained?
I'm gonna knee strike
Tell
you
me.
if you don't let go of your keys.
Knee strike me. How am I being detained? How am I being detained?
Speak to her again.
Do we have a will witness?
Yeah. The complainant. You should probably stop. Okay. You should probably stop too.
Oh, she slipped out of her cuffs.
How am I being detained?
Instead of responding to instructions, the driver becomes fixated on the whereabouts of her passenger. This distraction delays the investigation. Officers repeatedly give clear, lawful instructions. Compliance during a traffic investigation is critical for everyone's safety.
How am I being detained? Tell me how am I being detained? What have I done wrong? Tell me.
So, the thing about the gun is I can't give you an impaired, or not impaired,
That's fine.
but someone who's been drinking a gun.
Absolutely.
So what'll probably end up happening to it, it kind of looks like she's going to get arrested.
Yeah, no doubt.
So when we recover the car, the firearm will be at the Fort Myers Police Department. So call first. Say my name is Haley, whatever your last name is. A firearm was seized when Jane Smith, whatever her name is, got arrested. Because they're going to want to run a criminal history before you pick the firearm up.
What the f have I done wrong?
As safekeeping.
I can't help you.
Haley,
I
done wrong?
can't
So,
help you.
Hey, can you just calm
Okay,
down?
no, but look,
Just calm down.
I've never been arrested in my life, and what the f?
Okay?
Why? Why?
Okay? For an investigation.
For what?
For an investigation.
Can I look at you for a second?
No, you can't, actually.
Because what the f have I done? Can I talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life.
I want to turn back to the car so she
Where's my purse?
so we figure out what's going on.
No, can I talk to you for a second? Look, can I guys talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life. Can I please talk to you?
Face that.
No, look, can I please talk to you? I've never been. Why am I being detained? Can I please talk to somebody?
Get in.
Please.
Get in.
No, let me please talk to you. Please. Please, please, let me talk to you, please, for a second.
right now.
I'm sober, please. Okay, you know what?
Get in the vehicle.
The driver grows increasingly uncooperative, refusing to listen or follow directions. Resistance, even verbal, can escalate a routine encounter. Based on behavior and interaction, officers begin to suspect possible impairment. At this point, the focus shifts toward a DUI evaluation.
Thank you.
In that person, so you said your ID is in there, so I'll be able to look at it and it'll say, hey, this is Haley stuff.
Yep, everything.
Cool.
I have to work in the morning.
Wow.
This is not what I expected to happen tonight at all.
No one really plans on this. So do you know where, is there a truck upstairs, ma'am?
It's that white one over there up on the right.
So are you the one that called?
Are you Officer Tori?
Yes.
I've heard about you.
Oh, God.
Good. It's the wonderful things about you. So you're great. Anyway, yes, that was me that called.
Awesome. So, who do you see behind the wheel?
That girl.
Awesome. Are you cool with giving a statement?
Yeah.
All right. A little out of breath for a second.
Uh-oh.
But, We have to do a traffic crash investigation before we do anything else.
Okay.
All right. Mikey's?
Can I just need to hang out?
One of them has it. But somebody's got to do the crash and before we can get to anything else.
For no reason.
Is
Yeah.
my turn if I got your friends out of your truck?
Yeah. You.
Can she have her purse?
You. No.
Not nice.
You.
She can't have her purse?
You. Let me out of the truck. Fuck
You'll be allowed in a second.
Yeah. You. You.
I don't think that's how you.
You. Been detained for no reason.
like my
I
keys
love
look
the
like an
cops.
accent.
Pro-Trump, pro the cops. You guys.
Caroline, can you please raise your right hand? As law enforcement officer in the state of Florida, I'm authorized to take sworn statements. Do you swear and affirm the statement you're about to give be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you put your hand down. So, what happened?
I noticed they were having troubles at this gate here on the left, and I told them to move over to the other gate, and I walked away.
Okay. Is there something wrong with this gate on the left?
It's set it for key cards right now, so you have to.
So it's key card only?
Yeah.
Okay. And they did not have a key card, so you told them to go to the other one because
Yeah.
they'll be able to get out?
Yeah, they had the little paper one, so they had you pay on the other one. I walked away, and then I heard them arguing, so I turned around.
Is that the other female she was arguing with?
Yes.
In the white shirt over there? Okay.
Yes. I heard them arguing, so I walked back over here to ask if everything's okay. The girl in the white shirt over there storms away. The other girl, I asked her to back up, and that's when I realized she hit the gate because the gate bounced.
So she was actually touching the gate when you asked her to back up?
Yeah, she was up against it, so
Okay.
I didn't notice that until she actually backed up.
Okay.
But she backed up. I thought she was going to back up and go to the other lane, but she backed up and hit that sign, and then she went up the left side here and just kind of circled back into a parking spot. And
Okay, so she went up the wrong side.
Yeah.
After she hit this. So when she backed up, did she pull into
she kind of
this
pulled
one
like haphazardly.
haphazardly?
Yeah.
Okay, and then went up the left side. Would you happen to know what level her vehicle's on?
Yeah, actually, I saw her parked up there on the right-hand side, maybe 3 cars-ish down.
What kind of vehicle?
It's a white truck.
A white truck. Do you know what kind of truck?
Don't know what kind of truck.
Okay, so she was driving a white vehicle, and that female in the black top and the like goldish, silverish dress.
Yeah, she never got out of the car.
But you saw her when you came over and told her to back up and go to the different gate.
Yes, I told her.
You told her specifically, and she was the one specifically driving that vehicle.
Yes.
Okay, and then once they went up and parked, what happened from there?
By then I was on the phone with you guys, giving my information. I noticed her shuffling around up there, and she suddenly came running down here asking which way her friend went. I said I didn't know, and I realized that she was just right out there. But then shortly thereafter, you guys showed up, and they were just over there having a bit of a chat.
Okay, and then the officer separated them.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they were, I think one part I forgot to mention here, right before she ran off, they were arguing.
Okay.
It looked like she was locked out. The girl driving locked her out of the car.
Okay.
The other officer, she came over eventually and said, "Do you need help?" And I said, "Yes, ma'am." And she's like, "You're in the wrong lane for, I don't know, like there's an exit or whatever." Yeah, the wrong exit. That one's for like a primary resident, and this one is for visitors or whatever. So, in that exit, she said, Caroline said, "I'm fine, don't worry about it." After the lady came over and tried to help us and told us, "Hey, you're in the wrong lane," I said, "Let me drive, I'll drive, I'll take care of it." And that's where our argument began, because she wanted to drive and I wanted to drive, and in my heart I knew neither one of us could drive. And she got very aggressive, and I just walked away. I walked down the street, and then she came out saying the cops are coming. I was like, "Well, if they have to come, they have to come. I don't know what to tell you." And she was like, "We have to leave," and I'm like, "No, we're not leaving. My purse is in the garage, my phone, I have to work in the morning."
Yeah.
It was not supposed to end this way. So that's my purse.
By the way, you guys have like nearly identical purses.
Sorry?
You guys have like nearly identical purses.
Yeah, I know, almost. Yeah, hers is across the bottom teal and mine is up the side. Yeah,
Is
you
this
nailed
yours?
it. Yes, sir, it is.
Do you know the phone number to this one?
Wow, you did great, yeah.
Do you know the phone number to her phone?
Sorry?
Do you know her phone number?
I do. I can give it to you if you'd like. That's
You know who texts you?
Yes.
Who texts you?
My boyfriend.
What do you call him?
I don't want to say that out loud.
Well, he's
I'm looking at it. And I ask her,
Okay.
this is her phone, she's going to say, F you.
Daddy Calf.
I'm perfect. What a coincidence. That is not something. So I didn't see your ID in there. I just
Yes,
saw
sir.
a pill bottle.
It's in the back of my phone.
Oh, check. See if you just said that. Who's doing this one? The crash.
I can do it. I took this with us now.
You just want to take a picture of that and send it on the way? Yeah. Unless you want to talk to
Do you have a ride?
Not at the moment, but I can get one. I can call somebody. They are in the truck.
Officers evaluate the totality of the situation, the crash, the driver's behavior, and her refusal to cooperate. Based on probable cause, officers place the driver under arrest for driving under the influence and resisting an officer. She was charged with DUI, with property damage and resisting arrest without violence. She was found not guilty on all counts by jury. This footage is presented for educational purposes. Following lawful instructions and making responsible driving choices helps keep everyone safe.